You know that feeling when you finally grasp something complex, especially something that's really shaping our future? It's pretty exhilarating.
Yeah, definitely is.
Well, today we're diving into an area that's seeing like a massive shift right now.
Hmm.
Our deep dive today, it's all about marketing planning. You know, that absolutely essential business task, promoting products,
The
services.
bread and butter for so many businesses.
Exactly. But we're not just rehashing the basics. We're digging into how artificial intelligence, AI, is fundamentally changing, well, pretty much every part of it.
It really is transforming things from the ground up.
So our mission for you today is to unpack what makes marketing effective, show you exactly how AI plugs into each step, and explain what it all means for building future strategies.
Right. We've sifted through our sources, pulled out the key insights.
Think of it as your shortcut to getting genuinely up to speed on this really exciting, fast-moving topic.
We'll start with the traditional marketing plan structure.
Yeah, lay the
Yeah.
groundwork.
Then explore how AI acts as this incredibly powerful partner,
Hmm.
from designing ads, running events, even crafting those crucial proposals.
And we're drawing on some detailed stuff here, explanations of AI-powered marketing, presentation tools, the works.
Okay, let's get into it then. Before we jump to the shiny AI tools,
Hmm.
what are the absolute must-haves? The non-negotiables for any marketing plan?
Yeah, what's the foundation we're building on?
Well, marketing planning, it's just fundamental, isn't it? Anytime you promote something, and honestly, no matter the tech, having a solid activity plan, that's still crucial.
Yeah.
Absolutely crucial.
Okay, so what does that solid plan usually look like? What are the core pieces?
Generally, you're looking at four key things. First, your goal and target market. And I mean clear goals,
Yeah.
specific objectives, and knowing exactly who you're talking to, demographics, interests, behaviors, the whole picture.
Right, not just a vague idea.
Exactly. Then you got the event strategy, basically how you're going to hit those goals.
Yeah.
Is it ads, PR, direct sales, events? What's the mix?
Makes sense.
Third, budget and resources.
Yeah.
You got to estimate what you need: money, people, time. A detailed budget isn't optional. It's essential.
Uh-huh. No escaping the budget.
Never. And finally, a timeline. A proper schedule for everything, laying out all the important milestones.
Yeah.
When does what happen?
Got it. Goals, strategy, budget, timeline. Seems straightforward, but I bet it's not always simple to pull together.
Oh, absolutely not. And that's key. Putting together a plan like this is not a one-person job. It really needs cooperation across different roles.
Like how?
Think marketing manager, creative director, finance manager.
Yeah.
The list goes on. Each role has its own responsibilities, its own piece of the puzzle.
So communication is everything.
Totally. Good communication, good coordination, they're absolutely vital for it to actually work.
Okay, foundation laid. Now, here's where it gets really interesting for me. AI. It's everywhere. How is it actually impacting these traditional marketing processes we just outlined? Is it just making things faster, or is it deeper?
Oh, it's much, much deeper than just speed. AI is having a pretty profound effect on marketing planning.
How so?
Imagine having this, like, super smart assistant. It helps you understand consumer behavior better than ever before. It can predict market trends with startling accuracy.
Okay.
And it automates so many of those marketing tasks that used to just eat up time. It's like it fundamentally changes where you focus your energy.
So how does it do that? What's the tech behind the curtain?
Well, at its heart, AI in marketing is about finding patterns in huge amounts of data. Think machine learning and deep learning. They're the core techniques.
Machine learning,
Well,
deep learning. Can you break those down a bit?
sure. Machine learning algorithms, things like decision trees, random forests, support vector machines, they're trained to find meaningful patterns in data, like what makes customers click.
Okay.
Deep learning uses artificial neural networks. You might hear terms like convolutional or recurrent neural networks. It goes deeper, understanding more complex stuff like long-term shopping behaviors or bigger market shifts.
And you mentioned language.
Yeah, natural language processing, or NLP, that lets AI understand and analyze human language, customer reviews, social media comments, feedback. It helps grasp sentiment and meaning.
Okay, that's a lot of tech terms. Can you give us a more concrete example? Maybe that random forest thing you mentioned.
Absolutely. Random forest is a great example of machine learning. Imagine instead of one big decision tree trying to figure things out, you have a whole forest of them, like hundreds or thousands.
A forest of decision trees.
Exactly. Each tree gets trained on a slightly different piece of your data. Then the algorithm combines the predictions from all these individual trees to get a final, much more accurate result.
Why is that better?
Well, it's known for really good prediction accuracy, and you can actually understand why it's making certain predictions, which is huge. It's great for analyzing large customer data sets.
So how does that help a marketer?
It helps understand how customers respond to, say, your brand or a specific product or a marketing event. It finds useful patterns and trends that you can use to really optimize your strategies, things you'd likely miss otherwise.
So paint a picture. Marketing before AI versus after AI. What's the difference?
Okay, before AI, marketing teams spent so much time manually collecting and trying to analyze massive data sets. It was slow, laborious,
Painful, I imagine.
yeah, and finding genuinely meaningful patterns. Really tough, which obviously made developing effective strategies harder.
And after AI.
Now, teams can use machine learning, deep learning. These tools analyze data automatically. It saves incredible amounts of time and effort.
Right.
AI pinpoints patterns accurately, predicts trends, automates tons of tedious tasks. This lets the marketing team focus more time for innovation, for creativity, for the big strategic thinking.
So this leads to the big question, doesn't it? What about the humans? Is AI taking over jobs, or is it more like a partnership?
It's absolutely a partnership, a synergistic one, really. Humans work with AI.
How does that look in practice?
AI handles the heavy lifting, the complex data analysis, the market predictions. That frees up enormous amounts of time and boosts efficiency, like we said.
Okay, so AI does the number crunching.
Right. And that lets humans focus their energy where we excel. Creative thinking, strategic planning, understanding nuance, empathy. We use our uniquely human perspectives to build deep, personalized strategies that really connect.
So humans are still driving the strategy.
Yes, and supervising the AI. We need to ensure AI's analysis aligns with brand values, with market realities. We make adjustments, corrections. We guide the AI. Think of it like a pilot using autopilot, the tech assists, but the human is ultimately in command.
That makes sense. A human-AI collaboration. Let's get specific, though. Let's zoom right in on designing marketing ads. That feels like a very creative, very human process. How is AI actually getting involved there?
Great question. Designing ads isn't just one thing, it's a whole journey, right? And AI impacts, well, pretty much every step. There are about 7 key work items involved.
7. Okay, walk us through them. How does AI contribute to each?
All right, step 1, market research. AI tools are just invaluable here. They automate collecting and analyzing huge amounts of data, consumer behavior, trends, competitor intel. You get deeper, more accurate insights faster than ever. It's like having 1,000 researchers instantly.
Wow, okay. That's a big boost for step 1. What's next?
Step 2, design strategy. Here, AI helps turn that raw data into strategic direction. Planners use AI tools to analyze customer behavior, trends, competitor moves. It makes designing the strategy way more efficient.
Do planners need to be data scientists, then?
Not necessarily, but collaboration is key. Working with AI experts or data scientists helps planners understand the AI analysis and apply it effectively. And you have to keep learning. AI tools get better with more data, so strategies need constant adjustment.
Makes sense. Step 3.
Advertisement creativity, specifically text content design. This is where generative AI really starts to shine.
Ah, the content generation part.
Exactly. Designing text content, slogans, ad copy. Generative AI can make this much more effective. It can brainstorm ideas, draft variations.
But do the old rules still apply? Like having a clear message?
Absolutely. You still need a clear message about value, catchy headlines, creating demand, maybe telling a story, and definitely a strong call to action. AI assists with these, but the core principles remain.
Okay. Step 4.
Ad making. Taking those ideas and turning them into actual ads, posters, videos, whatever. The creative team conceptualizes, designers create. But again, generative AI is a huge factor now.
How so? For visuals, too.
Yeah, generating images, video elements, editing assistance. It significantly impacts media production workflows, speeding things up. Collaboration is still vital, but AI expands the possibilities.
Faster iteration, I guess. What's step 5?
Test and improve. Think A/B testing, comparing different versions to see what works best.
Right, testing headlines or images.
Exactly. But AI takes A/B testing to another level. It can manage hundreds of tests simultaneously, identify winning elements in real time, even predict performance before launch.
Predictive A/B testing. That's cool.
Yeah, saves a ton of time and money. Instead of manually comparing 2 headlines, AI might test dozens and tell you the likely winner based on data patterns.
Okay, that's powerful. Step 6.
Advertisement release. Choosing the right channels. Social media, search engines, websites, traditional media.
Where AI helps how?
It's not just choosing channels, it's optimizing them in real time. AI can predict the best time to show an ad on Facebook or Dynamically shift your Google Ads budget based on search trends to maximize reach and conversions. It's about precision and adaptability.
So smarter ad spending. And the last step, number 7.
Effect evaluation,
Yeah.
analyzing the results, click rates, conversion rates, all that good stuff.
And AI's role here.
Speed and granularity. AI analyzes performance instantly, flags issues in real time. You're not waiting weeks for a report. You can see what's working or not almost immediately and make adjustments much faster.
Wow. Okay, so AI really is woven through every single step of ad design, from initial research right through to evaluation. It's definitely more than just a tool. It's like a co-pilot, as you said.
Exactly. And you still need the human skills, research, creativity, design, analysis, plus that cross-departmental cooperation. AI supercharges it, but doesn't replace the need for smart humans working together.
Right. So ads are one thing. What about something bigger, like hosting a whole marketing event that involves logistics, people, promotion? Where does AI fit there?
Events are definitely complex beasts, but AI can streamline many parts of that process too. There are roughly 6 main steps involved in hosting an event.
Okay, let's hear them.
First, event planning. Defining the theme, goals, date, place, resources, doing venue checks. AI can analyze past data to predict attendance, suggest optimal dates, even recommend themes likely to resonate with your target audience.
Interesting. Predicting attendance, that's useful. What's next?
Second, the event budget. Estimating costs for venue, catering, staff, etc. AI tools can help forecast costs more accurately using real-time market data and even suggest cost-saving alternatives you might not have thought of.
Better budgeting. Okay. Third.
Event promotion. Designing materials, getting the word out on the right platforms. AI helps here by analyzing audience data to make sure your promotion is super targeted, laser focused on the people most likely to attend.
Makes sense. More efficient promotion. Number 4.
Event organization. Setting the schedule, assigning tasks, making sure staff know what they're doing, prepping materials. AI can actually help optimize staffing schedules based on predicted attendee flow or suggest logical task assignments.
Wow. Optimizing schedules too. Okay. 5.
Event execution. The day itself, making sure everything runs smoothly, solving problems. Here, AI can monitor things in real time, like social media buzz or even Wi-Fi usage to flag potential issues early or highlight moments of peak engagement.
Real-time monitoring. Cool. And the last one, 6.
Event follow-up. Collecting feedback, evaluating success, organizing photos and videos, sharing results. AI can rapidly analyze survey responses and social media sentiment after the event, giving you quick, actionable insights on what worked and what needs improving for next time.
So even post-event analysis gets an AI boost. It seems like AI touches everything. Do the human roles change much? Event manager, finance manager.
The roles are still there: event manager, finance, marketing, coordinator, staff.
Yeah.
But AI empowers them. It takes over repetitive data tasks, provides predictive insights, optimizes workflows, letting the humans focus more on strategic decisions, creative problem solving, and that crucial person-to-person interaction during the event.
Okay, that paints a clear picture for events. Now let's circle back to the documentation, the plan itself, the marketing proposal. How is that structured, and how do these AI principles, maybe even generative AI, help streamline putting that vital document together?
Right, the proposal is where it all comes together. It's the master plan document. And yes, its structure is key for clarity. And AI, especially generative AI, can be a massive help in crafting it. There are typically 9 key sections.
9 sections. Let's break it down. What's first?
1. Marketing goal. Needs to be specific, measurable, time-bound, like increase brand searches 20% in 6 months. AI can analyze past performance to help set realistic, impactful goals.
Okay. 2.
Market analysis. Understanding the market size, trends, growth, and analyzing competitors, their strategies, strengths, weaknesses. AI research tools can gather and synthesize this info incredibly fast, giving you a comprehensive overview to build on.
Speeds up the research phase significantly. 3rd section.
Target customers. Describing who they are, demographics, interests, needs, behaviors. AI can analyze customer data and feedback to build really detailed personas, helping you tailor the strategy effectively.
Got it.
4th, marketing strategy. This is the core how. Product, price, promotion, place the 4 Ps, essentially. Based on the AI-enhanced analysis, you design clear, specific, executable strategies. Generative AI can even help draft initial strategic options or variations.
Drafting strategy options. Interesting. 5.
Marketing event. Planning the specific activities, ads, PR, promotions to execute the strategy, goals, steps, timelines, expected results for each. AI can help simulate the potential impact of different activities, helping you choose the most effective ones.
Simulating impact. Okay.
6. Budget and resources. Planning the money, people, and time needed. AI can offer more accurate cost estimates based on current data and help optimize how you allocate those resources for the best return.
Smarter resource allocation. 7.
Effect evaluation. How will you track success? Sales data, feedback, web traffic, brand mentions. AI analytics can set up real-time tracking and automate reporting, making evaluation continuous and efficient.
Makes adjustments easier. 8.
Risks and challenges. Thinking about what could go wrong, market shifts, competitor actions, implementation issues, and planning for them. AI's predictive side can sometimes flag potential risks humans might miss.
Proactive risk management. And the last one, 9.
Conclusion and suggestions. Summarizing the key points, recommending next steps. Generative AI is great here for crafting concise, impactful summaries to leave a strong final impression.
9 sections, all potentially enhanced by AI. Any overall tips for writing the proposal itself, even with AI help?
Absolutely. Foundational stuff still matters. Ensure all info is accurate, up to date. Keep the language clear, concise, easy to understand. AI can help edit for that, but the human needs to ensure it flows well. And definitely write an engaging summary up front. Hook them early, outlining the main points and expected results.
Wow, okay. That was incredibly thorough. A really comprehensive deep dive into this whole world of AI-powered marketing. I feel like you've definitely given us and our listeners that shortcut to being genuinely well-informed. We've covered the foundations and the really groundbreaking AI impact.
Yeah, I hope so. The main takeaway really is that AI is a massive enhancer for marketing planning. It automates the complex stuff, predicts trends, gives us amazing insights and efficiency gains.
Right, frees up time and brain power.
Exactly. But, and this is crucial, human creativity, strategic thinking, that understanding of nuance, and careful supervision, they're still absolutely essential. You need that human element to craft strategies that are not just effective, but also truly resonate with brand values and, actual market realities.
So the knowledge we've discussed today lets you approach marketing differently using these powerful tools, but without losing that vital human touch.
Precisely. And, we mentioned tools like Notion AI, Gamma AI being used. People are already practicing with these. It brings up a really interesting final thought for you to consider.
Oh, God.
As these AI tools keep getting better and they're evolving fast, how might this change not just how we create marketing, but fundamentally alter what we even mean by creativity or strategy, especially when AI can generate really compelling content in seconds?
That's a big question.
Yeah. How does that shift the human role even more? Maybe towards things like deep insight generation, careful curation of AI output, and focusing heavily on the ethical application of these incredibly powerful new capabilities. Something to think about.